So today we are going to start a detailed discussion on a six-member, that is six-member heterocyclic ring, in which one of the heteroatom or one of the carbon atom is substituted with nitrogen atom, that is pyridine. Now, what points of the pyridine are important in terms of exam point of view? The aromaticity of pyridine is important. Basicity of pyridine is very important. The question 100% it is there. Why pyridine is basic in nature? So related to pyridine, we are going to discuss as like that of earlier heterocyclic compounds. We are going to discuss the structure of pyridine, their aromaticity pattern of the pyridine, then basicity, very important property, that is basicity of pyridine. Later on, we are going to discuss as like earlier synthesis method, reactions, and medicinal important points of the pyridine molecule. So without wasting time, we'll proceed further for the discussion of the pyridine. So this is a molecular structure of the pyridine in which one of the carbon atom of benzene ring, it is substituted with an heteroatom, that is nitrogen atom bearing lone pair of electron in its molecule. Now we all know nitrogen molecule is more electronegative than the carbon atom, and that means we are substituting nitrogen instead of carbon atom who is already bearing lone pair of electrons. Now what is the important property related to this nitrogen atom which is substituted in the in this place of carbon atom? So this lone pair of electrons of this nitrogen atom are not taken part in the aromaticity pattern. See here, this is a molecular orbital structure of the pyridine molecule in which all the carbon atoms which are there in the pyridine molecule, they are one electron of p orbital of all these carbon atoms are unshared pair of unshared electrons. So they are going to form a pi cloud of electron, whereas this lone pair of electrons which is there on the nitrogen atom, it is usually sp2 hybridized. Now all the carbon atoms of this pyridine molecules, they are also sp2 hybridized as like that of earlier over another heterocyclic rings. Now pyridine is six-membered ring, out of which they have five carbon atoms and one nitrogen atom. Now all the carbon atoms and the nitrogen atom all are sp2 hybridized. Now the hybridization pattern of this pyridine molecule is planar in nature, and it make a planar pyridine ring structure. Each ring atom also contain unhybridized p orbital. So this each ring atom of this carbon atom contain unhybridized p orbital which is perpendicular to the plane of the sigma bond of that system. So the p orbitals, they are parallel to each other as well as they are going to parallel to the plane of the ring system. So there is overlapping and formation of pi cloud of electron. Just now we have seen these all p orbitals, unhybridized electrons, they are going to rotate, they are parallel to the plane of the system. So they are going to form a they are going to form the overlapping between all the p orbitals possible. So, as we all know, the five carbon atoms of the pyridine molecules, these five carbon atom and one of the nitrogen atom, which is also unhybridized from this nitrogen atom. So these are totally, there are totally six pi electrons which are overlapping, which are perpendicular to the plane of the system. So as they are going to have the resonance between all these six pi electrons, that's why pyridine is aromatic in nature. Now, in spite, again, this nitrogen is going to have this lone pair of electron on its head, but this lone pair of electron will not be taken part in the aromaticity system of the ring, because the remaining structure already obeys the Huckel rule. That's why there is no need of this lone pair of electrons will take part in the aromaticity system of the ring. So we all know whenever the six number of pi electrons are there, It will obey the Hooke's rule. That's why. So pyridine is aromatic in nature. Now, very important slide from the exam point of view is basicity pattern of the pyridine molecule. Now, give reason that pyridine or why pyridine is more basic than the pyrrole molecule. Now, up till now we have discussed so many five-membered heterocyclic compounds uh, containing one heteroatom, five-membered heterocyclic compound containing two heteroatoms we have discussed. Now, here we are comparing the pyridine molecule with the pyrrole structure. Now, before we are moving towards the pyridine, just revise the thing related to pyrrole molecule. Now, pyrrole is basically five-membered ring. That's why he is already having a 4 pi electrons, unhybridized p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the system. But this nitrogen atom of the pyrrole molecule is going to have a pair of electron which is involved in the aromaticity pattern, which is involved in the resonance parameter of the pyrrole molecule. That's why this pyrrole molecule don't have another two extra number of electrons on its head to show the more basicity pattern as compared to the pyridine molecule. As pyridine is going opposite to that, pyridine is going to have this lone pair of electrons to easily form a protonation, easily abstract a proton from the another, easily form a bond with the proton molecule because he has another shared pair of electrons. Whether this is not the case with the pyrrole molecule, that's why protonation of the pyrrole is not easy as compared to the pyridine. That's why pyridine is more basic than the pyrrole because this lone pair of electron in the case of pyrrole molecule, they are going to take part in the resonance behavior. They are going to take part in the aromaticity behavior. So this lone pair of electrons are very important in terms of resonance and aromaticity as compared to the protonation. But in the case of pyridine, he has already satisfied the aromaticity problem, aromaticity property. He has already satisfied the resonance parameter because he is going to have alternate pair of double bonds. So the resonance is not the issue with the pyridine molecule. So he has this lone pair of electron to form a or to will be available to abstract a proton. That's why pyridine is more basic than the pyrrole molecule. Now, so these are the three-dimensional structures of the pyridine, benzene, and pyrrole molecule. So here, this pyridine molecule, he has abstracted all the electrons or the electronegativity of this pyridine molecule is gathered here on the place of nitrogen atom. Whereas in the case of benzene, the pi cloud of electron continuously they are resonating in the ring. So benzene is a resonance hybrid structure. It is there. So these electrons are continuously rotating throughout the ring. But in the case of pyrrole molecule, as nitrogen atoms electronegativity pattern, it is taken part in the aromaticity, it is taken part in the resonance hybrid. So there is no any gathering of the electrons in the place of nitrogen atom. It is divided at the carbon number second and carbon number fifth. That's why pyridine is more basic than the pyrrole molecule. So already we have discussed these reasons. We'll proceed further. Now, a second give reason is, so we will just discuss pyridine basicity is depending upon the availability of the lone pair, and this lone pair is available in the case of pyridine and it is not available, it is not readily available in the case of pyrrole molecule. That's why pyridine are more basic than the pyrrole molecule. But opposite is the case in the case of aliphatic amine. Pyridines are less basic than the aliphatic amines. What is the reason behind that? Why, being a heterocyclic ring also, it is less basic than the aliphatic amine? The reason behind that is The electronegativity of this nitrogen atom, it is more electronegative. And in the case of aliphatic amine, as it is sp3 hybridized, it is less electronegative. So the sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom in this ring is more behaving as a S-like character instead of a P-like character. So the lone pair of electrons which are there on the nitrogen atom of the pyridine, they are closely held towards the more electronegative nitrogen atom. That's why it is less available for the acid-base reaction. This nitrogen atom, as compared to another carbon atom, it is more electronegative. As it is more electronegative, he will attract, he will bound, he will form a tight bond between these electrons and the nitrogen atom, as it is more electronegative. So it is less readily available for the acid-base reaction. But this is not the case with the aliphatic amines, as the lone pair of electron is not readily available in the pyridine. It is less basic than the aliphatic amine, because in the case of aliphatic amines, as it is already substituted with three different functionalities, there is no issue with these electrons. It is easily available for the reaction with the acids and bases. That's why aliphatic amines are more basic than the pyridine molecules. So two reasons we have discussed. Pyrrole is less basic than pyridine, but pyridine is less basic than the aliphatic amine, because he don't have these electrons easily, or he don't react these electrons easily with another heterocyclic, another acid-base reagents. But instead it is aliphatic amine. In the case of aliphatic amines, as it is already bonded with three different functionalities, these electrons are easily available for the reaction with acids and bases. So they are more basic than the pyridine molecule. Now, tautomerism given by the pyridine molecule. Tautomeric structures involve when the pyridine it is substituted at second and fourth position. Now, what is the reason behind that? Why pyridine is going to substitute at favorable for the substitution at second and fourth position? The reason behind that, when pyridine is substituted at third and fifth position, that time pyridine is going to have a positive charge on this nitrogen atom. But as nitrogen atom is more electronegative than the remaining carbon atom, this is not a stable compound will be formed when pyridine is substituted at third and fifth position. So the positive charge on the nitrogen atom, it is not favorable. That's why easier for the easier case, or that's why the substitution in the pyridine molecule will be taken place at second and fourth position with a group such as XH, when X is nothing but oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. So that means oxidation, nitration and sulfonation will be done at which position? Second and fourth position. Now, as nitrogen is more electronegative here, so already we have discussed, if it is substituted at third and fifth position, that time the nitrogen will be a positive charge. So it is not favorable. So the generally substitution reaction will be happening at second and fourth position. Now hydrogen bonding in the case of pyridine molecule. Now pyridine is readily soluble in water, because the lone pair of electrons which are available on the nitrogen atom, it is easily going to form a hydrogen bond with the water molecule. That's why pyridine is water soluble. Now we are moving towards the synthesis of pyridine molecule. Now the synthesis of pyridine molecule, in which the first synthesis method is from Hansch synthesis. Now pyridine and several of its derivatives were obtained from the coal tar. Basically, when pyridine is derived, it is obtained. It is basically obtained from the coal tar, in which they occur in enough quantity. If we are going to obtain the pyridine from the coal tar, it is in the enough quantity. But pyridine is being obtained synthetically nowadays. So it is produced commercially by the synthesis of following methods, in which the first synthesis methods is Hansch pyridine synthesis. Now, in the case of Hansch pyridine synthesis, here there is condensation of an aldehyde with the two molecules of beta dicarbonyl compounds. So here we are condensing the aldehyde molecule, that is formaldehyde molecule, with two beta carbonyl compounds, two molecules of ethyl acetoacetate. It's the beta carbonyl compound used here for the synthesis of pyridine molecule. So this formaldehyde, it will react with the uh, two molecules of beta carbonyl compound in the presence of ammonia. In the presence of ammonia, they will condense together to synthesize dihydropyridine. And this dihydropyridine, followed by the oxidation reaction, there is formation of an aromatic pyridine ring will be formed. Later on, with the alkaline treatment in the presence of ethanol molecule, there is synthesis of 2,6-dimethyl will be formed. So this is the first method for the synthesis of pyridine, when there is a condensation of aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, with two molecules of beta carbonyl compound and ammonia. Now, what happened in this case? Ammonia reacts with, first of all, with a acetoester, that is ethyl acetate, to yield beta amino protanoic acid, or the ester. And while the aldehyde molecule undergoes a base catalyzed condensation. So first of all, this ammonia will react with this ethyl acetoacetate to form a beta protanoic compound, and meanwhile the aldehyde molecule undergoes, this formaldehyde molecule undergoes a base catalyzed condensation with the ethyl acetoacetate. Now, addition of these double bonds across the carbon-carbon take place. It is due to the condensation of these two carbonyl compounds.